Welcome to Inky Pinky Explorers.
The amazing sounds of C. The letter C was feeling very sad. Why am I so confusing? It sighed. Sometimes I sound like K, like in cat, and sometimes I sound like S, like in city. It's very tricky. C was invited to a big party with all the other letters, but C was worried. What if I say the wrong sound? It thought. At the party, A, B, and D were playing a game. Can you say a word with the C sound like in car? A asked. C was nervous. I can, C shouted. Cow, cake, come. Everyone cheered. C felt happy. Then E, F, and G played a game. Can you say a word with the C sound like in ice cream? E asked. C took a deep breath. City, cycle exclamation mark, C said. Everyone clapped. C was so proud. C learned that even though it has two sounds, it can still have fun and make friends. Thanks for watching.